In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Base44 app on Google Play Store. We'll be walking through the preparation process inside Base44 so you can get your app ready for Google Play requirements in a simple, organized way. If you're new to this, don't worry, I'll keep everything clear and easy to follow so you know exactly where to click and what to expect on screen. To begin, go to Base44 and sign into your workspace. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on All Apps. This will open the area where your projects are listed, making it easier to find the app you want to work on. Next, open the project you want to publish on Google Play Store. Make sure you select the correct app since the checks you run here will apply specifically to that project. Once the project opens, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on Publish. After that, choose Mobile App. This is the section that helps you prepare your project for mobile distribution, including the checks related to store readiness. From there, click on Check Your App. This step is important because it helps identify anything that may need attention before your app can align with publishing expectations. Now click on Google Play Guidelines. This tells Base44 that you want to review your app against the standards relevant to publishing on Google Play. Once you select it, give the page a moment to load fully. Depending on your connection or the size of the project, this may take a little time, so be patient and let the process finish. When everything has fully loaded, click on Fix with AI. This feature is designed to help streamline the process by automatically assisting with issues or recommendations related to Google Play compliance. It can save time and reduce the guesswork, especially if you're not fully familiar with store policy requirements. After clicking that, simply follow the next prompt that appears on screen, read it carefully, and continue through the guided suggestions. The prompts are there to help you apply the recommended fixes step by step, so take your time and review each instruction before moving forward. And that's it. You've now gone through the Base44 workflow for checking your app against Google Play guidelines and using the AI-assisted fix option. As a final tip, always review the results carefully after the AI completes its suggestions, just to make sure everything matches your app's intended functionality before you move on to the actual store submission process.